it's me back at it again, and without further ado, let's dive into today's video. Alright guys, so as you can see, my eyes are all primed and my full face is on. What's that mean? It means we're having an eyeshadow tutorial / review. Today I am going to be reviewing the 35i from Morphe, the Icy Fantasy palette. It is absolutely gorgeous. So I went ahead and primed my eyes with a white concealer, a white base, because these are more pastel. I want them to have a little bit more pop. And you guys might not be able to tell, but my eyes are very stained. I've been doing a lot of colorful looks lately, so my eyes are ready to rest on some colorful looks. So first, I am going to dip into the shade, this is Sky High. It's like a pinky, I can't tell if it's supposed to be pink or red, but we're going to use it as red. And we are going to take our JS13 fluffy brush, and we are going to go ahead and pop this in our inner corner. Next we are going to dip into orange. So this is the Coral Cloud shade, this orange tone right there. Using the same brush, we are going to start introducing this to that red shade. Okay, now we are going to go into yellow. They don't have a yellow, so I'm going to go into Wishful, which is this shade. It looks yellow, but it's not. It's like more of like a green. And I'm just going to go right over the edge of that orange. Just packing motions, really packing it in. Okay, next going into blue. Now I will say, for this being a pastel palette, I will say that the blue shade in this is beautiful. This is called Into the Blue. So we're going to use this. And with this shade, we're going to start introducing it to the outer edge. So just kind of slowly working that into the outer edge. I'm going to start packing it and then buffing. So pack, and then you can swoop out. And we're going to do that to every color again, but really blowing out the top. So like I almost want this red shade to be like up to my eyebrow. So we're going to start building. First we were building our crease, now we're building the rest of the eye. All of our colors blended and on, we're going to cut our crease. I've been obsessed with cutting my crease lately. I don't know why, I don't understand, but I want this to be like almost like a rainbow crease with a really bright eye. So we're going to attempt. This is the e.l.f. concealer. I use it in a very bright shade. I think this is Fair Beige. And we're going to cut all the way almost to the outer corner. So we're gonna... Alright, both of our creases are cut. Now, I want to go in with some glitter. I think I want to do this Brilliant shade. And we're going to see how this lays on it. It might not lay down nicely on this. I might have to put a little bit of... I'm using setting spray, obviously, to spray my brush. But this might not pack on, because it looks almost like a glitter. Might not pack on without a base. I'm going to use the white first. The white out right above it. And we're going to lay that all over the cut crease first. Alright, now dipping back into that glitter shade. It is very glittery. Spraying my brush. You know what, we're just going to go in with our finger. Also, using your finger for glitter sometimes, and then going in and just cleaning it up with a brush. Oh yeah, that's looking so much better. Moving on to lower lash line. I used every color in here. And I don't want to put shimmer on my lash line, so I'm just going to dive into this blue right here. This shade, it's like a green blue. It's called Chill Thrill. We're going to use that. And then I'm going to buff it out with this shade and this shade. And then I'm going to go ahead and use my Ofra highlighter, or my Revlon highlighter. I'm not using Ofra today. And I'm going to use this on this kind of brush. This is in the shade Daybreak Glimmer. And I'm going to just toss this in the inner corner. And then under my brow bone. Just to give it a little extra. And then under the brow bone, just some more pop. And then I'm actually gonna, I really want to dive into this silver glitter right here called Frostbite. This glitter shade right here, the silver. I want to put that on the, I think on this outer edge. Oh my gosh. That is a lot of glitter. I just want to put it on the outer edge. I'm trying to use as many different formulas of this palette that I can, just because I want you guys to see what it can do and what the potential is with it. And I am going to use the Essence False Lash Effect Mascara. Alright, going ahead and spraying with our Morphe setting spray. Really letting my skin feel that, because oh my god, am I feeling it today. Well, here is the eyeshadow all complete. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's review and tutorial of the Morphe 35i palette. I definitely think the price point of Morphe palettes are incredible. However, I do know that there is so much fallout, and I tend to think that doing them before you have a full face on is a lot easier. I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. I know that I did, and I had a lot of fun recording it today and doing some makeup and playing around with some pastel colors. I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, follow my Instagram and Twitter, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.